Today I'll be assembling the Raspberry Pi 4 using the CanaKit. It has 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the motherboard in the clear case. We have the micro SD card with operating system. We have the USB-C power supply. We have heat sinks. We have a micro HDMI cable. We have a USB card reader. We have a CanaKit Pi switch. We have a full-size breadboard. We have a CanaKit GPIO to breadboard interface, and it also includes the ribbon. We have a male-to-male and male-to-female jumper wires. We also have resistors, LEDs, and push-button switches. This box also comes with the starting guide, so we can start our thing. Now we will be putting the motherboard and clear case together. Next, I will be putting the heat sinks onto the motherboard. Here are the 3 heat sinks I have put on. So the next step is we have to insert the micro SD card into the motherboard. And here it is. I've inserted the micro SD card. So I've already connected the other end of the HDMI into the monitor. And so now I will connect the other end into my motherboard. The next step is to connect the keyboard and mouse to the USB port. So here I have the USB and I'm going to connect it in the middle top, just like that. The next step is to connect the USB-C power adapter to the board. I've already connected it to a power source, so now I just need to plug it into the motherboard. Now that I've done that, the motherboard is now turned on, and so has the monitor. Don't forget to connect your USB-C power cord to the Pi switch, and then connect the switch to the motherboard. And then to turn it on, you can just click the button. and it'll turn on. Now that I have plugged in the USB-C power adapter, the motherboard has turned on, and now we see this page that is connected from the motherboard. The next step that we need to do is we need to select Raspbian as our choice of operating system, and then we can click Install to begin. Right now it's at 50%. It's still taking a couple of minutes to install. The software installation is now complete. So we have installed the Raspberry Pi, and this is the screen we get when we open it. So now you have to set it up, and here are the instructions. Oops. I set up the password, and now I am switching to wireless. Internet is now connected, and I am clicking next. Okay, now my setup is complete and I am ready to go. And I'm going to restart, so all the changes I have made will now be here. The computer has booted, and now let's go check at the internet connection. I'm gonna go to YouTube to check that our internet is working. So I was able to get to YouTube, so it seems that our internet is really good. This is what my computer looks like with the setup from the Raspberry Pi 4 kit. I am now going to put the cover on the case, and we have now finished setting up our computer.